Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens at home. This is Coach Hodges here. I am talking to you a little bit about our computer science principles class. Virtual students, make sure you are getting your work done. Let's get in Codehs. So let me see here. Codehs. I'm going to get in here and check it out a little bit. Computer Science Fall 2020. I get a good look here at who all has completed what. If you're a virtual student at home, I know Cole, you're at home, need to get this up. Need to get up to at least 60% by the end of the week. Need to make sure that that's getting pulled up. And I know Casey, obviously Uriel. Need to get those up. Need to pull those up. And there's one more, Kellen. All right, Kellen, we got to get this up. Okay, we got to get these. The completion percentage of our Codehs has to improve. That will be your main form of work. Will be to work in Codehs and to use the Codehs platform to learn how to code and also show me how much progress you're making. See, I can, obviously track what all you've done and see who all's worked recently in this program, who's worked most recently. I can see your course progress, okay, all of those things. So need to make sure that we're working in there, getting all of that done, and Codehs is your main thing. I will write a note in our Google Classroom. I will write a note to y'all and make sure that I remind you of that. But Codehs is where it's at.